How do labor mediators maintain impartiality? Imagine trying to solve a disagreement where both sides feel strongly about their views. How can someone stay fair and neutral in such a heated situation? That's where labor mediators come in. They play a key role in resolving workplace disputes without taking sides. But how do they do it and stay unbiased? Let's explore the methods they use to keep their fairness intact. First, labor mediators only accept cases when they believe they can remain neutral. If at any point they feel their opinions might influence the process, they must step back. This helps ensure the mediation stays fair for everyone involved. They are committed to only serving when they are confident they can be impartial. Next, mediators are very careful about conflicts of interest. They must disclose any personal or professional relationships that could affect their judgment. If they find a conflict, they either step away from the case or get permission from both sides to continue. This prevents any bias from creeping into the process. Treating all parties equally is another important practice. Mediators avoid favoring one side over the other. They listen patiently, show respect, and avoid giving legal advice that might sway opinions. Their goal is to create a respectful environment where everyone feels heard and valued. Confidentiality is also a big part of maintaining impartiality. Mediators keep everything shared during the process private. They do not push parties toward specific outcomes. Instead, they help the parties find their own solutions, respecting their right to self-determination. Before starting, mediators clearly explain their role as neutral facilitators. They emphasize that the power to decide belongs to the parties, not to the mediator. This sets the tone for a fair and voluntary process. Throughout mediation, mediators stay alert for any signs of bias. If they notice themselves leaning toward one side, they correct course immediately. This ongoing self-monitoring helps keep the process balanced and trustworthy. In the world of labor and employment law, these practices are essential. Disputes often involve complex relationships between employers, unions, and employees. Mediators must be fair and unbiased to protect the integrity of the process. They follow strict codes of conduct and professional standards to ensure they serve as neutral facilitators. By doing so, they help create a workplace where disputes can be resolved peacefully and fairly, building trust and encouraging honest dialogue.